Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Jovi has the essentials, an active account and permissions. Once done, update the app so features match this guide. Next, set your wake word and language and run the voice calibration. This trains Jovi for your pitch and accent. Try 3 short commands to confirm audio capture. Make sure background noise is low when training. It improves recognition accuracy. After that, you're ready to move into linking services and creating routines. Once your basics work, connect the services you want Jovi to control. Link calendar, smart devices, music, and messaging accounts and authorize each integration. Then build a routine, pick a trigger, add actions, insert delays where needed, and test every action separately so failures are obvious. Make sure to train the voice model for personalized recognition and enable follow-up mode to keep context between commands. Also, review privacy settings so you control what data Jovi stores and shares. You finish by running a complete test sequence. Wake Jovi, execute a routine, ask a third-party service query, and confirm the spoken reply. If all works, create shortcuts for frequent tasks so you can use single phrases instead of long commands. Make sure to back up settings if available. If something goes wrong, try the troubleshooting tip. Restart the app and device, re-grant mic permission, and retrain the voice model. This fixes most recognition and connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.